Chantaljenee, and I'm back with another video for you guys. This is going to be a video on how I create these sultry waves using my waver. I get so many questions on how I style my hair when I have it in extensions like this. And this is like the easiest route for me to go. And the reason why is because in the event, because this is really, really long, I'll show you guys how long. So in the event the nape starts to get a little nappy, it's camouflaged. You cannot even tell. So I wear my long weaves like in this wavy state a majority of the time for that little reason. This is hair from Kendra's Hair Boutique, and I think this is in a 24. It just seems really, really long. And I made this into a U-part wig, and I don't have a video on how I created the unit, but I do have the video on how I installed it and put all of my long natural hair underneath it. So I will be doing that. So if you want to take a look at how I create these waves, then stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Okay, so I'm starting off just brushing out this mess. I did not take care of it the night before. I literally just like slept with it in a ponytail, which is why it's so matted. It's not the hair, it's not the quality of the hair, but it's just that I didn't take care of it last night. So it has some waves in it still from I think maybe about 2 days ago, and that's why you still see some of the pattern, but I'm just going to refresh it because the holidays are coming up and such, and I want it to be like beat. This was like a really awkward video for me to film because my hair is so long. I did not intend for it to be that long, and I'm just basically trying to show you guys how long it is and to fit it all into the frame. That's why it's like so awkward. So here I'm just separating my leave out from the weave because I just wanted to oil it and slick some of it back with the edges back. And I'm using this Millie Organics Flexible Edge Gel, and I like this. I like it, but I don't know. I don't think I would really recommend it because it broke me out a couple days. So I think I'm going to stop using that and go back to my Eco Styler Gel. With my Eco Styler Gel just because I wasn't liking how that edge gel was laying. So I'm going in with my Eco Styler Gel and I'm just going to smooth my edges. I don't really have like edges like, so I'm not going to do a design or anything like that, but I just want them to be more laid down, more presentable. Tying them down because it's like a must when you have type 4 hair. You just have to tie it down to set it. And I'm just going to like quickly brush through my hair and get it prepared for the waving process. So this is like my favorite tool. This is the bed head waver. I'll link it in the description bar down below. But this thing, I've had this thing for maybe like 8 years, literally. And it's never burned out on me, knock on wood. It has never given me any kind of problems, and it is like so simple. It gives you like these awesome waves to where normally the first day I just leave it like in that kind of like perfected state. By the next day it like loses some of its wave, and then a week later it's like a wavy beach head kind of wave, and it still looks like so nice. So this is like one of my favorite styles to do when I have straight hair. I'm just going along through each section, and the most important part when you're doing the waving is you crimp it, and then when you bring the styling tool down, you place it in the crimp that's already there. Do not miss it, do not go over it. You want to place it right in that dent, the last dent that the crimper made. As you can see here, that's very important because it's going to make it all look seamless, like you just had like one big waving tool. Fast forward to the last section, almost done. It's all done, so I'm just going to remove this scarf and just like smooth some of it down. But this is how it turns out. I mean, this is such a great style. It lasts literally at least a week, and I have like no issues whatsoever ever. At nighttime, once it gets a little old, like after like maybe day 2, I just French braid it in 2 braids along the sides of my head, and literally the waves like just continue. So again, excuse my like awkwardness. I was literally just trying to like fit all of the hair in the screen. So I'm just trying to show you guys like what it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have any other videos you want me to record. Thanks. Bye.